Welcome into TaylorKitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make Cherries Jubilee, which is a beautiful flambéed dish with cherries. It's actually very, very simple. I'm starting in my skillet here with just a wee bit of butter, to which I'm going to add a little bit of coconut sugar. Now cherries are already, I'm using dark, sweet, pitted cherries, and they're already very sweet. So I'm only going to add just a tiny, tiny bit of the coconut sugar, and I just want to let that kind of marry together. The butter will melt, and then that sugar will start to caramelize just a little bit. Just a tiny, tiny pinch of salt, because it always balances out sweetness so well. And then my cherries go in. These are actually cherries that were frozen, and I just thought them out. I buy the big bags of frozen cherries from Costco because I like to use them in our morning smoothies as well, and they make really great desserts because they're so naturally sweet and just luscious. And the butter is going to ensure that the sauce is slightly thicker than it would be if you had not added the butter. You can leave it out. You can even leave out the sugar if you want to make it a little lower on the glycemic index. But this is quite a delicious dessert. And then I want some zest of an orange. This is optional, but it adds flavor. Not even the juice, just the zest. Super good. Give it another stir. Now, here's my safety tip. I'm going to turn off my gas before I add the brandy. And I've heated up the brandy just because it lights better if it's been heated. So I'm going to turn the gas back on, and I'm hoping this will show off for me because we just want, like that. There I go. Turning the gas off again, and the flames will diminish as the alcohol cooks out. You see they're getting lower and lower. I can give it a little stir. Wow. That's some good stuff right there. All right, I'm just gonna let the flames continue to subside. You can always keep like a big dish or anything that you wanna put over here to extinguish the flames if you're getting nervous about this, but I can see they're really minimizing. This is one of those fancy dishes that they do tableside in restaurants often, and typically this is served over vanilla ice cream. So while the flames are continuing to cook out of this, let me go get my ice cream out of the freezer. All right, flames all gone, meaning the alcohol has burned off. Now, if you didn't want to do the flambe method, you could simply add the alcohol and then cook this down and continue to cook it down until the alcohol is cooked off that way. But flambeing it means it's done just in a matter of a minute. And there I go. Oh my goodness, it smells divine. And all you gotta do is just dig in that warm sauce with the vanilla ice cream and the cherries. It's just quite a delicious bite. Oh yeah. You could grate some chocolate over this if you wanted, but this is totally phenomenal. Very yummy. Pardon me while I finish this.